Hello guys, here I have 1967 Ford Thunderbird. So the problem with this car is it was not starting. So it has multiple issue. One of them was there was a connectivity issue. So I replaced that battery connector. So right now it's cranking. Then what's happening? So I start like struggling with a fuel system. So basically what's happened, if you see this line coming all the way down here, and it was somehow it was squeezed behind the shield, which is, you see the front tire, driver's side. So that that fuel line is being kind of like squeezed, and it was not enough power from the fuel pump to suck the fuel to the system. So basically I did replace the hose. Of course I have to dig in down, I thought like the fuel cylinder or the filter or something. So little bit by little bit, so I find out that's the fuel line, just that partially it's been holding the fuel. So I'm talking about this guy. So yeah, right now it's working fine, and the thing is, even though it's an old car, 1976, but it's working or it's starting very nice. Man, even some of those new cars is not like working like that, but this one, look at nice, so stable. There is no restriction, the pump is working fine. So yeah, look at that old classic car. So it's been parked for a long time ago somewhere. You can see, but inside looking good. So everything still is original. I didn't try the radio, I don't know if it's working or not. Everything else looking, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, how old is it,